Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I woke up at 5 a.m. to get into my car by 6:15 so that I could drive 2 hours to Scenic Caves Nature Adventure in Collingwood, which is next to Blue Mountain. So this place has a suspension bridge, a number of interesting caves and 15 kilometers of walking trails as well. This place just opened its doors to the public after the whole COVID lockdown yesterday, and entry is only $28.5. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get started and check out the suspension bridge first, and then we'll go to a number of the walking trails as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's go.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground.
So I'm on my way to the suspension bridge. I was one of the first few people to get in here, so I'm hoping that no one's reached the bridge yet and that I will have the bridge all to myself.
When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
That the nature trail is supposed to be a very tranquil but short hike, so we're gonna go check this out now. Wow, so peaceful. Can you hear the birds chirping?
Ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
So I'm in a little cave right now. Ooh, it's a bit cold. And this is the cave. That's where I came in from. And I'm gonna go out this way. So let's see. Okay, the exit is blocked, so I'm just gonna go back where I came from.
Used to be anonymous. Now the world has seen your face. Living life is dangerous, but there's a map for every maze. Yeah, you can be a bird.
Wow, those caves were awesome, and those are just the kind of things that I like to see in nature. I'm now going to be doing the Ridge Top Lookout Trail, and from there I think there's a detour to the Enchanted Forest Trail. So basically what I've heard is, again, the Enchanted Forest Trail is very tranquil and peaceful, and if you need some peace in your life, that's the trail that you need to hike on. And now we go through the Enchanted Forest. I'm finally sitting after walking 8K non-stop in 2.5 hours. I covered the suspension bridge and a whole number of trails, including two like tranquil trails, which were actually quite nice. So I definitely suggest that you should check them out. I think it's time for lunch, so why don't we head to Blue Mountain Village and get something to eat.
Hit me like a ton of bricks. Doesn't matter, weak or strong. Take your time and do your tricks. All I do is sing along. Yeah, I need you around for brighter light and firmer ground. When you believe in me, love is gonna set me free.
I'm now at Blue Mountain Village and it is almost 35 degrees, very hot, no shade. So I'm gonna make this little stroll through the village very quick and just show you like the key highlights. A lot of the things are closed. Obviously restaurants are only available, like only have curbside pickup. So yeah, that's about it. And now let's go to our last and final stop, which actually I went to in I think 2007. So I kind of want to go again and I want to see what it looks like now. So this is the last and final stop for today, which is Wasaga Beach. I hope you liked this video. Blue Mountain is definitely a place that you should check out. Lots to do and it's extremely beautiful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to stay tuned next week on Thursday for a new vlog covering a new place. In the meantime, stay safe and see you next Thursday.